everyone, in this video I will get you know how to get a motorcycle license in New York whether you are 16 or older. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, study the New York State driver manual. You can also take online practice tests to prepare for the written exam. You can open the manual PDF and access quizzes to help you study. Take your time to read and practice thoroughly. Once you feel ready, use the DMV's free screening tool to find out which documents you need to bring for proof of ID, age and residency. Bring all required documents to your local DMV office where you will take the permit test in person unless you approve for the online version. After get your learner permit, you must complete at least 50 hours of supervised driving, including 15 hours at night before scheduling your road test. Also complete the pre-licensing course PRP unless you have already completed a Ford driver's education program. Once you pass the road test, your driver's license will arrive in about 2 weeks. If you don't pass, your learner permit remains valid until it expires and you can schedule another test after waiting 7 days. For more details, visit the official DMV website at dmv.ny.gov for everything you need to know about getting your license in New York. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.